Only my day ones remember that barbershop. Remember me parking this exact car over there by all the traffic and putting a big flagpole on the back hitch of this car. Only my day ones remember that. Let's go get a haircut. Hey Jay, Dre, what's going on? This is the old station that Dre's at now. You ready? You're on time? That's crazy. I need your help with this unboxing real quick.
I'm ready.
You wanna open this one up? If you can see my address, Georgie, please blare that out. What we got? What we got? Oh, this is it.
You want to do this part?
Nah, go ahead. Open.
Okay.
You got presents? And we can make you unbox the stuff. What you got?
Nice.
Dang.
I thought it was some Babyliss.
Look.
When I saw this part right here.
Yeah. What you thought it was?
Babyliss clippers.
It's a Babyliss blow dryer. Ooh. It's smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Nice.
That's cool, man.
This is dope.
Alright.
It feels good. It feels nice and balanced in the hand. You got your Dyson? Can you grab the Dyson? I want to see the comparison in size. Oh, Dyson's man small. But this ain't that bad though. All right, next one. What we got here? Dang, there's a lot of stuff in here.
Yeah.
You got a cake, got a mat.
A mat?
I love you, Babyliss, but you know I ain't using that. Oh, what is this?
Got a backpack? Another one?
Dang, you guys see the new backpack I just unboxed earlier. Now I got another one. Ooh, it's been looking kind of crazy.
All right, let's see.
Okay, like for clippers and stuff. Whoa.
That's slick.
And it comes out. You don't have to keep it in your book bag. You can see,
dope.
hold on, the details on the side. Hold on. See the details on the side.
In the back too.
What is this?
Wait.
That's pretty nice. Is there a spot for your laptop? Yep, that's for the laptop.
Yep.
This is regular pocket. It feels premium though. I'll be back. I'm gonna show you the other book bag that I just unboxed today. All right, about to show Fonz this one. See what Fonz thinks about it.
Yeah, screw the preference thing. They want.
Look, I quickly overlooked this, but this is their new magnetic mat. So you can magnetically attach your clippers.
Oh, I seen that.
All right, relax, bro. We got our own mats.
Yeah? No, yay.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, I was a little bit too excited.
Yeah, you got too excited about this one. That's messed up, bro.
Hey, cut that out.
Don't cut it out. Don't cut it out. I forgot to show you guys this. It's got a...
Sure, boy.
That's the cool button. You ready to cut my hair, bro?
No.
You about to cut my hair?
No.
I gotta be out of here by 5.
That's a lot. You're asking a lot right now.
Good luck.
I think you can get me.
I
For real gotta be out here by 5.
All right, let's hurry up and get to it then.
All right, guys, listen. Y'all know Yofonzz. If you don't follow him on YouTube, make sure you go subscribe to him. Link is in the description below. He's about to cut my hair. It's either gonna be a Zeke or it's gonna be real nice. Have you ever cut my hair before?
No.
He's never cut my hair before.
I think I've lined you up and tapered it.
You've never cut my hair before.
Too much pressure. Too much pressure. Don't want that in my life. I'm gonna do my best.
All right,
I'm gonna cut you like I cut Lorenzo.
I go to DR tomorrow, bro.
Hey man, at least it's gonna be people that don't know you. That's it.
That's messed up. All right. Fonz, is that my comb?
No. You got a green one.
This is what Fonz does in the background.
It works.
It works.
It works. So I gotta get a new stand.
I gotta be out of here by 5.
I'm trying my best, bro. You know what?
Can you take off your glasses, sir? Yeah, cause he gotta get me out of here at 5.
That's not happening.
Damn, bro.
I sat here for 4.5 hours.
No.
That's it. And I took a fine.
Fonz, how you got this cake?
Yeah, how you got that cake, Fonz?
I took it from Dre.
Yo, anybody seen my 245 cake? This man goes and looks for it. Nah, I haven't seen it.
Whole time it's in his
Side
drawer.
post a picture on Instagram. I see him in the back and customer got the cake.
Because I found it in the laundry bag.
I think Fonz has my blow dryer.
Nah. If I had your blow dryer, I wouldn't have to be borrowing yours.
Fonz got sticky fingers in
Hey,
the
my bro,
barbershop.
no.
All right, there goes the help. The help is gone. It was taking him too long, so I gotta go home. Somebody buy Fonz one of these. This is what he needs.
We need a bat. Oh.
Nate was the last what?
OG barber.
He was the last OG barber?
OG barber. If you could take a look over there right now, he has the most cords in his station still. Nate had them all, bro.
He was being stubborn.
He didn't want to play with quote unquote toys.
That's what he said?
Yeah.
Damn, Nate.
Look at him now, bro.
They all come around.
Fonz, how did you get this?
Danny gave it to me.
Put that back.
Dang, bro. I don't know how you pulling all this stuff off, bro. Doing it.
You see it? Now you don't.
I'll call you right back. Alright. I don't know how I feel about Fonz being on the phone while he's got a razor to my face. Alright guys, look, listen, it's 2:30 in the morning. I got a flight to catch tomorrow morning. I gotta drive all the way to Orlando. I'm going to Dominican Republic, me and my wife for vacation. But I wanted to make sure I ended this vlog the right way because I really didn't feel the blow dry out myself. And so I got a little bit of a setup here with a mannequin. I'm gonna use the blow dry. I'm gonna tell you guys what I think. And I wanted to show you guys it's really cool. What I think is innovative, I've never seen before. So I'll share it with you guys now. For my barbers who do beards, this little attachment right here clips so that you can blow dry beards. I think that's pretty cool. Definitely different. Not sure if it works well, but I'm definitely looking forward to trying it. Maybe I'll try it on my beard. I don't know. So I'm using the mannequin I unboxed the other day, the pivot point joint. Check this out. So it's gonna be a little bit loud, so bear with me. You turn it on. That's pretty good. Okay. Let's turn it up. That's pretty good. But then you have this turbo button right here. Watch this. That is crazy power. I'm gonna try it without the nozzle. All right, let's try this dicing out. This is pretty good too. Listen, gonna have to do a whole lot more testing, but both of those blow dryers are fire. You can't go wrong. They're both fire. Babyliss made a tough blow dryer. I would definitely recommend this blow dryer. It's gonna be my go-to blow dryer at the shop. Now, very happy I have one. I don't think I'll ever need to use turbo. That's just like a lot of power. I really can't tell which one gets hotter. They're both super, super hot. They both have a crap load of power. I think this one on turbo, probably, I wouldn't be able to tell you. They're both very powerful, both very, very hot. Obviously this one is bigger, but it does feel lighter. That one obviously is more tech savvy, the Dyson, because it's got the cool buttons and stuff. But the price points, I'm not sure what the price points are. I know the Dyson was like 400 bucks. This one, I'm not sure what it's gonna be. But great job, Babyliss, another banger. Bro, you know what's crazy? I just realized I got another package. This one is from Stylecraft. It's their magnetic charging cable. So it looks like you gotta install those little components that'll allow you to magnetically charge. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. That's dope. Yep. There's so many new tools, so many new products, so many new innovations coming out. Man, it's a great time to be in this industry, I'll tell you that. With that, this is the best way to end the vlog. We drop daily content on this channel. I will see you guys tomorrow.